Check the color on this bunch. Make sure it meets the export standard.
Yes, madam. They look ready.
Coming down. Watch the weight. Got it. Easy now.
Careful with this one, it's perfect. Secured it. The truck is approaching now. Looks good. Let's get the next rack ready.
The plantation uses modern agricultural technology. This method reduces manual labor significantly as bananas travel toward processing areas.
Check the tags on those next bunches carefully.
Everything looks good up ahead. Keep it moving to the center.
This bunch has too many scars. Move it to the reject pile.
Noted. Ensure the next batch meets the export standard.
Yes, ma'am. We'll keep an eye on the sizing.
Humidity levels stable at 90%. Good. Let's verify the temperature logs for this section.
Pallet 72B. Fresh produce. Move to cold storage immediately.
Roger. Inbound.
Manifest check complete. Ensure the temperature is set to 13 degrees Celsius.
Confirm, driver. We are sealed and ready. Aerial views show trucks crossing beautiful landscapes. Roads connect rural farms with urban centers.
Okay, this route covers the eastern suburbs. The first drop is the priority shipment. They need those bananas by 7 sharp. Got it. East route, first stop priority.
Move this one quickly. More coming.
Got it. Routing to Bay 4.
Consumers expect high-quality produce, and our supply chain delivers with meticulous care.
That stock is 50 kilograms. Best price today.
I will take it for 45. We need 5 more.
Are these ones ripe enough for tomorrow?
Look how clean these are.
I'll take this bunch. They look great.
Look at these fresh bananas, kids.
Dad, they look perfect for breakfast. Can we put them in the cart, Dad?
Watch the bunch. It's heavy. Got it. Load it onto the cart now.
If we adjust the irrigation in this zone, we can improve efficiency by 15%.
Agreed. I'll update the schedules now.
Irrigation systems deliver water throughout the fields. Healthy plants receive consistent nourishment. Modern agriculture relies on resource management.
With massive transport systems, the supply chain functions with precision. Technology enhances productivity as
engines. A final aerial view reveals the entire banana industry, from growing and harvesting to transportation and delivery.